Welcome to Inside the Process. Today we're exploring how fresh carrots become baby carrots. Let's see the entire journey.
Our story begins at a California carrot farm, where mature carrots are ready for harvest. Specialized harvesters cut below the roots and lift carrots from the ground gently.
Carrots move along the harvester's conveyor, where excess soil falls away naturally.
Fresh carrots are collected in agricultural trailers for immediate transport to the factory.
Within hours of harvest, carrots arrive at the processing facility to maintain freshness. Carrots slide into stainless steel hoppers designed for gentle handling. A conveyor system transports carrots into the first processing stage.
Rotating blades remove green carrot tops with precision cutting.
Removed tops are collected separately for composting or animal feed. Carrots enter rotating drum washers, where high-pressure water removes all field dirt.
Multiple rinse cycles ensure carrots are completely clean before processing.
Vibrating conveyors remove excess water efficiently.
Optical cameras scan every carrot for defects, cracks, or discoloration.
Defective carrots are removed instantly by automated air jets.
Carrots are sorted by diameter for consistent baby carrot production. Medium carrots, ideal for baby carrots, enter industrial peeling machines. Abrasive rollers gently remove carrot skin while water rinses away peel. Quality inspectors check that all carrots are perfectly peeled.
Industrial cutters slice whole carrots into 2-inch segments precisely.
High-speed blades create uniform pieces at over 500 cuts per minute. Carrot segments move to tumble peelers for final shaping. Tumbling against abrasive surfaces rounds the segments into baby carrot shape.
Carrots now have the familiar smooth, baby carrot appearance.
Baby carrots are chilled in ice water to maintain crispness and freshness.
Carrots are lifted from the bath and drained before sanitizing.
Food-safe sanitizing solution eliminates any remaining bacteria.
A final rinse ensures baby carrots are perfectly clean.
High-pressure air knives remove surface water for packaging. Carrots collect in hoppers that feed the automated packaging system. Automated machines form bags from rolls of clear printed film.
Precision scales ensure each bag contains exactly 1 pound of carrots.
Sealed bags move through quality inspection stations. Machines automatically erect cardboard cases from flat blanks.
Robotic arms pack bags into cases with precise placement. Inspectors verify each case is properly filled before sealing.
Top flaps are sealed with strong packing tape. Each case receives a label with product details and tracking information.
Additional codes are printed directly on cases for warehouse tracking.
Cases group automatically before moving to palletizing. Robotic palletizers build stable pallet loads automatically. Each pallet holds 5 layers for a total of 40 cases. Multiple layers of film secure all cases tightly to the pallet. The wrap is sealed automatically for tamper-evident protection.
Pallet jacks transport finished pallets to the cold storage warehouse. All baby carrots are stored in refrigerated conditions to preserve quality.
Pallets are organized by product type and production date. Forklifts retrieve pallets when orders are ready for shipment. Each pallet is positioned following a loading pattern for safe transport.
Trucks are loaded with multiple pallets for efficient distribution. Shipping manifests verify the correct products and quantities are loaded. Load straps secure pallets and prevent shifting during transport.
Security seals prove the trailer hasn't been opened during transit. The refrigerated truck is ready to deliver baby carrots to distribution centers.
All clear.
Drivers monitor refrigeration systems throughout the journey to ensure product quality.
Baby carrots travel from factory to stores within 24 hours of processing.
From farm to processing to delivery, the journey ensures fresh baby carrots reach your table.
The truck arrives at a regional distribution center that supplies local grocery stores.
Distribution staff verify the cold chain was maintained during transport. Store employees receive deliveries and stock fresh produce displays each morning.
Cases are opened and individual bags are prepared for display.
Baby carrots are displayed in refrigerated cases to maintain freshness and quality.
Customers select baby carrots as a convenient, healthy snack option for their families.
At checkout, barcodes ensure accurate pricing and inventory tracking.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.